Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your email address of your Epic Games account. So guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do guys is go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the games that you have on your account currently and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, if you want to change your email address, it's very simple and you only need a couple of steps. And the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead right here in the upper right corner where your profile picture is and go ahead and click that icon right there. Click on that icon guys, now this will open up a new drop down menu where you have multiple options such as seeing your achievements or editing your settings or seeing your account info and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and click the third option right here called account. So guys, go ahead and click on account. And guys, now this will open up a new external tab in your browser that will lead you to the official Epic Games website. So guys, you can see now this has opened up our account settings in the Epic Games website, and as you can see here guys at the left side of the screen we have multiple options for editing your account such as account settings, email preferences, payment management and so on. So guys, what you want to do to make sure you can change your email address, go ahead and make sure you're in this first option right here called account settings. And under account settings guys, you can see there is an option called account information. Here you can see your display name and change it if you want, and here you can see your email address. So guys, if you wish to change your email address, all you have to do is click this blue button next to the email address right here. And after clicking that button right guys, now this will open up this new tab where you will be able to enter in your new email address. So guys, just go ahead and enter your new email address and click on continue. You have to make sure that you know you cannot change your email more than once every 90 days. So after you have entered your new email guys, then go ahead and click on continue, and after that guys you will just confirm it and then you will have successfully changed your email address. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.